Hello students, welcome back to my grammar class. In this class, you are going to learn about the omission of articles. In the previous video, you have learnt about articles and its types, right? Now, we are going to learn about the omission of articles. Okay, omission of articles na only lama engala articles ninga use panna kodadu அப்படின்றதை இப்போ நீங்க படிக்க போறீங்க. Okay, shall we start? See here, before proper nouns. Okay, you have learnt about proper nouns, right? Now tell me, what is a proper noun? Yes, a proper nouns are the names of the particular persons, places, animals or things. And then before a material noun. What is a material noun? Yes, these are the names of the substance from which the different things are made. For example, sugar, gold, butter, bronze, and then meat, egg, wood. These are all comes under in a material noun. And then abstract noun. Okay, abstract noun is a noun that cannot be felt by the five senses. What are the five senses? See, touch, feel, taste and hear. These are all five senses, right? Abstract nouns are nouns which we cannot felt these five senses, but they speak of ideas, feelings and concept. For example, anger, thickness, and see that abstract uncountable nouns. So abstract uncountable nouns means yes, patience, carelessness, these are all comes under in a abstract uncountable nouns. And then for arts, languages and science. Okay, for example, arts means paintings, drawing, idella arts dama கலைகள் சொல்வோம்ல. So before arts you should not use any articles. And then languages means மொழிகள். நம்ம இப்போ பேசுகிறோம்ல, இப்போ நான் தமிழில் பேசினா அது வந்து என்னது, அது ஒரு தமிழ் லாங்குவேஜ். தென் பாவுனாரா அப்படின்னு கேட்டால் இட் கம்ஸ் அண்டர் என்ன தெலுங்கு, ரைட்? அண்ட் தென் ஹவ் ஆர் யூ, இட் இஸ் இங்கிலீஷ். ஸோ யூ ஷுட் நாட் யூஸ் எனி ஆர்டிகல்ஸ் பிஃபோர் த லாங்குவேஜஸ். நாட் ஓன்லி லாங்குவேஜஸ் அண்ட் ஆல்சோ சயின்ஸ். What is meant by science? Yes, physics, chemistry, these are all comes under in a science, right? Okay students, have you understood that? See here, you should not use any articles. Okay, any articles means a and the. You should not use any articles before the arts, languages and science. And then you should not use any articles before planets. Planets means கோள்கள் சொல்வோம்ல. So Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and is that Pluto? No. Okay, in a recent research, the scientists told that Pluto is not in our planet system. Okay, planet system means yes, Pluto is not in our solar system. Okay students, have you understood that? See here, we should not use any articles before the planet's name. Yes, you should not use any articles before meals and illness. Illness means நம்மளுக்கு இப்போ உடம்பு சரியில்லை அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் பேரலிசிஸ், டூத் ஹெட்ஏக், அண்ட் தென் ஸ்டொமக் பெயின், லெக் பெயின், ஃப்ராக்சர், தீஸ் ஆல் கம்ஸ் அண்டர் இல்னஸ், ரைட்? ஸோ இதுக்கெல்லாம் முன்னாடி நீங்கள் என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது? எஸ், யூ ஷுட் நாட் யூஸ் எனி ஆர்டிகல்ஸ் பிஃபோர் த இல்னஸ். அண்ட் தென் மீல்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் எஸ், பிரேக்ஃபாஸ்ட், லஞ்ச், dinner. When you are speaking about these things, you should not use any articles before the words. Okay students, have you understood that? See here, we should not use any articles before meals and illnesses. And before titles used in opposition to the proper noun. For example, the name Ashoka. Okay, we usually says that King Ashoka, right? And then Elizabeth, we usually says that Queen Elizabeth, right? So why we are using this queen and king here? Yes, to show the position. Even though Elizabeth and Ashoka is a proper noun, right? It is the name of the particular person. You know that we should not use any articles before the proper noun. But why we are using here King Ashoka and Queen Ashoka? Yes, to show the titles. So listen carefully. You should not use any articles before the titles used in the opposition to show the proper noun. And then with the names of the institutions. Okay, you should not use any articles before the names of the institution. For example, Madras Christian College, Loyola College, these are the institutions, right? You should not use any articles before the institutions. And then you should not use any articles before the indefinite plural nouns. Okay, what is meant by plural noun? Yes, plural noun which tells us about two or more people or places or things. For example, dogs bark at night. Dogs bark at night. Okay, I am saying that dogs. Okay, so it is in a plural form. See here, dogs bark at night, there is no proper plural noun. See here, dogs means ஏதோ ஒரு நாய்ங்க வந்து நைட்டில் குலைக்குது. So it is not a definite plural noun. Listen carefully. If it is definite plural noun, you can use any articles, but it is indefinite plural noun. So you should not use any articles before the indefinite plural nouns. Then you should not use any articles before seasons. What is meant by seasons? Paruvam solvalama. Yes, summer, spring, winter, autumn, these are all seasons, right? You should not use any articles before these seasons. And then parts of body. Yes, ear, tongue, leg, arm, and then yes, these are all parts of the body, right? You should not use any articles before the parts of the body. And then games. Games means yes, விளையாட்டு, right? So badminton, football, volleyball, basketball, these are all games. You should not use any articles before games. And then before plural nouns. What is meant by plural noun? Yes, I told you before. Plural nouns are the nouns which tells us about two or more people, places or things. ரெண்டு மூணு விஷயத்தை பற்றி சொல்கிறது தான் plural nouns. And then you should not use any articles before plural nouns. And then you should not use any articles before in certain phrases. What is meant by phrase? Yes, a phrase is a group of words which does not give a complete meaning. Phrase என்றது ஒரு group of words என்னது phrase and it does not give a complete meaning. அது வந்து ஒரு complete meaning தராது. For example, see here, by sea, by land, by train, by night, by sea, by day, to catch fire, to send word, to give ear. So these are all few phrases. Okay, these are not the whole phrases. I have given you only the few phrases. So before these phrases, you should not use any articles. And you should not use any articles before subjects. What is meant by subjects? Yes, English, Tamil, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, English, French, Persian, Sanskrit, and then computer science. These are all subjects, right? Yes, you should not use any articles before subjects. And you should not use any articles before continents. What is meant by continents? Yes, gandangal solvalama. So you should not use any articles before continents. And then you should not use any articles before countries. Countries means yes, nadugal அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம்ல. India is a country, right? So you should not use any articles before country names. And then cities. Cities means yes, nagarangal. You should not use any articles before cities, countries and continents. Then you should not use any articles before days. Days means yes, how many days are there in a week? Yes, there are 7, right? What are they? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, you should not use any articles before the names of the days. And then you should not use any articles before the names of the month. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay, you should not use any articles before the names of the days. And then you should not use any articles before the names of the month. Okay students, have you understood where to omit articles? See you in the next video. Thank you.